In this video, I'll work with sticky header. So I had just make design for sticky header. You guys just need to copy the folder from my GitHub repository and just paste here inside sticky header. It is just nothing. It is a card which have hold an image and also if it hold a name. So when we scroll down this list, the header will came at the top of the list. So let's start implement this. Now if I speak about the concept uh, about this, I just need to work with opacity, whenever our list become reach outside of this height, this one uh, current user profile, then its opacity becomes 0 and our sticky header opacity become 1. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm just going to create a state for this. So I'm going to const get scroll position and set scroll position. By default, I'm gonna take its value to 0 and now I have to move save area view here. What I'm going to do, it will check if our opacity and scroll position comparison, if scroll position should be greater than the opacity, then it will show this sticky header. For this, I'm going to create a function that will calculate the opacity for this. So here I'm going to create a function. So give it name get opacity. I'm going to create an arrow function for this get opacity, and it will work like if our device height is less than small device height, then do something else, do something. Since it is containing the height according to the device, and it vary according to small device or large device. So let me run my iPhone 5s simulator as well. Okay, now if device height is smaller than device height, then I have to return device height divided by 4, else I'm gonna return device height divided by 6. Save this one. Now for the safe area view, I'm just going to write here if our get scroll position is greater than get opacity. If I had scrolled out of this area, then what it going to do, it simply return as sticky header, also import it from the component. And for name, I have to pass my current username that I already have in component state. Also for image, I have to pass profile image, and similarly I have to write function for on image tab that I'm using here. That's all what I need to do. Save this and let's close this tag. Also for the I have to change scroll position when I'm scrolling through the list. So for this we have props in flat list like on scroll. It should be on scroll, and on scroll it will have an arrow function, and inside it I'm gonna pass event, and here I'm going to set scroll position, and for this I'm gonna pass the value of our y-axis. So event dot native event dot content offset of y. Save this, and let's see, this is our iPhone 5s and this is iPhone 11. You can see if I scroll this, then then our sticky header came. Now the thing I need, like when I scroll this list, like its opacity should start decreasing, so that will look more better, like this portion our where we are seeing our current user profile. So for this, what I'm going to do, for list header component, here I'm gonna use our view and cut this from here. Make sure you had import view from React Native. Here I'm gonna pass the view. Let's see, we have another class here. No, we haven't. Okay, now let's give some style to the view, and the style that's equal to, for this I'm gonna pass the style property opacity and cat scroll position. If cat scroll position is less than cat opacity, then I need to use our cat opacity minus get scroll position, and I have to divide it by the 100, else I need to pass 0 here. Like when we're gonna scroll this, our scroll position starts increasing, and according to this I need to calculate my get opacity. Like suppose this the current user section are taking like a height of 100, and if we scroll scroll down 200, then it will just minus it from the cat opacity, and divide it by the 100. It should be divided by 100, so that we can get the value in one digit. So let's see, you can see it is its opacity start decreasing here. Like you can see its opacity start decreasing. Now it is invisible to us, and at that time our sticky header came in the action. If we let me open iPhone 5s simulator, let's see if it's work or not. Like this is a small device, like its opacity start decreasing, you can see here, and at that time we have sticky header, and if I click on the profile, I'll able to see its profile picture. So that's all for this video. From next video we'll start working with our chat module.